Hey, okay, so I haven't made a video in a long while, and decided to say hey. So, yeah, hi. Okay. Well, this is one of the few videos I've ever been primped and pretty, so enjoy it. Trying to find a good spot for my light to be. Oh well. So, hi. Listening to Blue October. Love Blue October. My boyfriend got me into them. Yeah. So, there's really nothing much to talk about. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. So yeah, no one's really requested much from me. I've got a couple comments saying that I'm fat. I had no idea. Yeah, I don't own mirrors. I don't own them. I don't watch my videos after I post them, so I didn't know I was fat. I'm also blind, so I know I'm fat. I really don't care, because it doesn't really matter that much to me. Well, I could lose weight, but you're always gonna be an asshole. Yeah. Anyways, so speaking of Blue October, I'm going to their concert in April because I'm awesome. Yeah, that's really all I have to talk about. So my eye focus is like off to the side a little bit because I've been looking there a lot. I don't know why, like because that's where my screen is. So like if I turned it like this, I would focus on the actual camera part more, but then I wouldn't know where to like move the camera to like see me better. So I'll put it on top of Colonel Puffykins and sit back like such, and do stuff on the computer. So here we go. I got nothing to talk about. Yeah. I don't know. So yeah, okay, I look pretty today, I think. I'm happy with how I look today. So if anyone else doesn't like it, that's their problem, and that's what I say to you. Yep. Anyways, have a meeting to go to today with my boyfriend. He's in the hospital for his head. He has some life challenges to deal with, like he's bipolar. I love him though, and we'll see where that goes. He doesn't bother me. Everyone's like, don't talk about your ghetto boyfriend, he's so ghetto, namely. Anyways, but I don't think he's ghetto. I don't think he's anything, but maybe I'm ghetto. Who knows what's ghetto anyways. So, whatever. I don't really know what else to say about that. Now I'm listening to ABK. Let's see here. Got nothing to say, so I'm gonna go.